Welcome to ChamiViews. This is our fourth video of our item management system, right? In the previous three videos, we have discussed about the how we can write the post request, right? As well as the how we can write the unit test for the each layer, like DAO, service, and the control, right? If you haven't put those things, please look into those things because those things are very important when we are learning about the REST API, right? Okay, today we are going to discuss about the GET request, right? I will start from the DAO layer. This is my item DAO interface. In this case, I am going to write the GET request, right? In here, what I want to do is retrieve all the items, right? To do that one, I will write function like this. Function name is get items, right? That will return the slice of items, right? Okay. Then we want to implement this function in the item DAO implementation method, right? Implementation file as well. By clicking this balloon, we can implement this machine methods, right? Okay. And then what we want to do here, it is very simple thing, right? We want to return this, right? DAO dot items, right? This is the thing that I want to do here, right? Okay. Then I will move to the service here. In here, I want to write the another method, right? Get items. Okay. We are not getting any request here. I will return the slice of item response and the error, right? I want to implement that one here as well. I will use this balloon and main structure of the method we can create using that, right? Okay. Then in here, what I want to do is I will create a variable called items, and then I will call to the s.dao dot get items function, right? That will return the slice of item, right? Then in here, now we have the items in that variable, right? Okay, then we want to return this kind of response, right? Then I will create a variable called data, like in this way, and using the range keyword, we can iterate through these items. Okay, then I can assign the data response like in this way. We want to pass item response as two things, ID and the name, right? First we'll pass the ID and the name, right? Item.name, right? Now I have created the data, right? Then I can return data error is nil, right? If you got some error here, right, we can return that error as well. Okay. Now I have implemented the service layer, right? Then I will move to the item controller. In here, this is what method is get I will create a new function here called get items, right? I want to pass W and R, right? Response item as well as the request, right? In here it says that there is no function like in this, and then I will create that one here. Okay, in here first we will pass those data as JSON format, right? Then I will set the content type as the application/JSON, right? Then I will get the items from the service, right? It will return the items as well as the error. Then I can check if error is not equal nil, right? I will log that error, and then as well as I want to return that error to the user, right? And then I will return here. If I got a success response, right? I want to encode those data, right? If I got any error when I am encoding, right? We can log those things as well, and as well as the I want to user to know, right? There is an error. Right. Okay. It will encode the items and send those data to the front end, right? Now I will get the post one as well as then I want to run this, right? First I will run this one, compiling. Okay, in here you can see server started at port 8080. Then I will open the Postman. Right. I will write a new request here. This is create items, right? We already have discussed that in the previous video. This is the get request, right? URL is this. http://localhost:8080/items. This method is get, right? Now I will send this one. What is the output? None, because we do not have anything here, right? Because we haven't created any item. First I will create the item like in this way. It says JSON cannot unmask, right? Because this is a integer. I will pass test item as the name, and then I will send it. Okay, it has created it, and then if I call to this, it should be return that item, right? This is the item. I will create another item, test item 2, and now that one also created. Alright, then I will try to get those items, right? In here you can see all the items it will return. Right. These are the things that I want to teach you today, right? Regarding the get request. This get method return all the items, right? In the next video, I will teach you how we can get a specific item, right? Uh, we can pass the item ID and then we can get the specific item, right? I will teach you that one as well, right? If you are interested, you can do that by yourself, right? Then when I am doing the next video, you can verify your thing with me. Okay, if you have learned new things, please share these things with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. In the upcoming videos, I will write the unit test as well. Okay, we will meet in this video. Thank you. Bye.